You gonna tell me anything about your car? Or?
I got this from an Audi R8. Ignition coils. The intake is carbon fibre from Apr. Other than that, she's pretty stock, so yeah. She's clean. She looks good.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I don't know. I think it's gonna be even because you have DSG and I got a shift.
Well, you're gonna be the only one talking because my car is stuck.
What do you mean?
I got some wheels on it, that's it.
Oh yeah. So I should probably blow you out of the water. Your car's stuck.
Let's go see.
Look at that fat fucking intake.
It's just for noise.
Does it make that sound?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? You have an Apr downpipe?
It was in sales.
Oh shit, okay.
So you're gonna race me or what? Let's put some money. I don't know. I think I got some cash. Hold on. That's all I got.
That's it? I got some 20s.
I'll take them.
It's recording.
Yeah. All the runs were pretty close. So who wins? I guess you win.
Did I win?
Yeah. Buy me an ice cream. Oh no.